Advancing responsible, responsive and resilient quality in education, haiba hiramda malim gi thakta numit nini chupna chathagadaba international conference hokre. Conference asi DM College campus ta leiba Government Hindi Teachers Training College ta Council of Educational Administration and Management Manipur chapter amadi Teachers Training College ani na punna khut samnaduna pangthokli. Thorom hogdokpa aduda saruk yakiba MLA TH Arun Kumar na leba asida leiminariba tongan ba furup singi marakta pau fauna bada Hindi lona achoba thodang lobada natana lola sina lenga kilalolitik amadi Mahima Singilamda Tabak Tobadasu Achobo Mateng Pangli Haiki. Mahana Makatara Dunang Asidagi Hoduna Numit Nini Chupna Chathagadoriba Conference Sigi, Hiramasi Matamasiga Yamna Chunabo Oibagi Matakta, Mahima Singilamda Hena Kumang Chausin Badamating Oigani. Mahima Singilamda Maliamda Ngasi Ngasima, Chathanariba Kanglon Sing Asi, Tung Induna Apaba Mahiri Sing Putong Nabahot Nabagi, Tangai Fade Haiki.
Our approach to education must be responsive to the changing needs of our society. For example, by integrating technology into our classroom and developing curricula that reflects contemporary issues. We can create engaging and relevant learning environment. Listening to students and adapting to their feedback is vital in this regard, ensuring that our educational practices meet their needs and aspirations.